Hey there, and welcome back. So the query block does a lot of really cool things. However, if you want to just show one post, maybe you just want to highlight a specific post or maybe a specific custom post type, you can't really do that at the moment. But I actually created a plugin that does just this, and it uses a lot of the other features that makes the query block really powerful. First, you'll want to download and install the featured content block. I put a link to it down in the description below. And then once you have it activated, you can come into any page. So I have a test page here. And then sort of in the middle, I'm just gonna do this, and then we can just do simple slash and then search. And then we'll need to select the post from the right side. And occasionally this can take a little bit to load. All right, here we go. And now we can use any of the sort of post template blocks like the page title or post title. So post title, and we have our cover, and then post excerpt, like so. Could add read more, and then we can even do post featured image if it had one. This one doesn't have one at the moment. But really, you can customize this whole section, and really I could even make a group block and cover this up, and we can do really cool things. We can separate it out visually. In fact, actually, let's get out of this, come down here. There are also block patterns that come with that plugin. So I'll come over here, featured content, and then there are like sort of this column, and then to the left, to the right, the background color is like this. And maybe we want to make this sort of more of a wide line like that. And you can really just play around with it, and it helps you to select any block. And even with the block patterns, you can come in here to like the main block, and you can select a different one. So columns, or maybe like so. It's a really easy way for you to highlight different posts or other single post types that you have on your website. To see more tips about the full site editor, as well as more videos on WordPress, e-commerce, digital marketing, web design, and other website related topics, be sure to hit the subscribe button and to ring the bell for notification. But until next time, happy WordPressing.